Hi, I'm going to show you how to sign up for an appointment using the calendar. Over on the left-hand side, choose Calendar. Once I do that, I need to come over to the left-hand side and click on the appropriate class. So in this instant, it's engaging. I'm going to click it and it's going to highlight the box. Then I'm going to hit Find Appointment, ensure that it's the correct course, and hit Submit. Once I do this, it will populate all of the available times for me, and we'll pick this one. To choose it, I'm going to click on it. Once I do, it'll pull this information up. I can look and see if that's what I want, and then just hit this reserve button. Once I do that, I just come over to close, and then I need to go back to my assignment and add the link to the video conference of my choice. Thank you.